Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss about this new platform I recently find out called YourWare.so. This is a coding platform. Basically, you can code anything you want. For example, you can see the projects at the bottom what people are creating. Okay, this looks like to me a website. This is like a social media project. Okay, and somebody has done a piano here. So if I click on that and let's see how it works. Wow, that's great. You can even remix it and then make it, you know, your own. But let's see what else we have because I really want to build my portfolio website and I want to see what can be done. This looks amazing. What is this? Oh wow, it's like a 3D website. So what we can do is this is also cool website. Okay, there are so many amazing websites here, but I like to create something from start from scratch. Okay, so what I can do, I will say, okay, the website is done and this is unbelievable. Just look at this. Look at the hover effect and look at the heading, which a neon with the neon effect. Wow, this is unbelievable. I really like it. This tool is amazing, amazing. The image is gone, but this is not a big issue. I can fix that. But I really like this project. Look at the effects of the headings. It's so clean and amazing. I really like it. Skills, projects, contact. And if I can make this responsive, let's say I will publish this and then I will put a link in the description. You can have a look. Okay, so I will click publish and now this is publish. And if I open this one, wow, there is an animation as well. So this tool is amazing. I really like it. Okay, and let's see if this is responsive. Wow, yeah, that's brilliant. I can't believe it. Just from the start, we can have a website like this. And look at these hover effects. This is unbelievable. And I got a link which I will actually place in the description. You can have a look. And now what we can do, because I am very excited about this tool. Now what we can do is that I hope they will have a premium plan. I think this is just starting out, so it's free so far. But let's say I like to build a what we can do, what we can build. Let's say team dashboard, something like that. Let's see what happens. All right, the dashboard is done. Now we can see um, here how it looks. If we go to properties, okay, these links are not working, but this is just a start. Okay, so we can actually make more changes if you want to. Okay, but um, yeah, at the moment nothing works. But still, if you look at the design, is so beautiful. I really like it. You know. So if we publish this and we open that, yeah, so this is how it looks like. So if we do this, okay, this is now responsive because this is just a dashboard, okay, but it looks amazing. I mean, it looks amazing. We can make it better. We can actually pass more commands, and then it can make it more nicer, and all these links can work as well. Okay, so let's do just one more. I really like this portfolio, guys. This is, I mean, just look at this hover effect. I mean, this is, and look at this here. This is just, I can't believe this. This is very nice. Okay, very very nice. So what else we can do? What we can do now is that we go back, and let's do something more difficult. Okay. All right, the banner is done. What would I say? This is unbelievable. Just look at this. This is unbelievable, and I really like it. It's amazing. Okay, and look at the animation here. I mean, this will take a couple of hours to create, and now I have just done it literally in like 5 minutes. Okay, so this is amazing. The only question I have is that I will publish this, and I will put a link somewhere at the bottom, but you can try out as well. Um, but this is amazing, guys. If I do control U, can we see the code? Uh, all right. Yeah, this is amazing, amazing, amazing tool. Let me know what you think about these tools. I will put a link for this tool in the description, and if you are interested, you can basically have a look. I'm just trying to see if you can make it private, but you can. I'm just testing it out. I'm not going to make it private, but I am just still learning this tool. Okay, so let me know what you think. I really like it, and I hope they will roll out fully functional tool which we can use, okay, and make amazing websites and other stuff. Okay, so if you like this video, give a like, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.